let us know what do you get out of the free sessions, and then when is the retreat?
That free session, I will lead people through some of the steps of reinvention, but I will just give them like the initial steps, what they need to think about, right? But then, of course, they can take that and use it and get their life going and their business going. But if they choose to come to the retreat, I show them how and I take them through the process. So that's why early bird ends February 1st. I have the free session on February 2nd. Now the retreat starts when somebody signs up. So if somebody signs up on February 1st, I give them access to the video modules and they can start. But if, let's say, somebody comes last minute, the last minute I put is February 17 at 11 p.m. So on the 18th, I can give them access to the modules and they can start. And on the 19th, they come to the live event.